Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a GE brand washing machine and it's giving you an E45 error on the display and you're trying to figure out what this error is and what are things you can do to get rid of it. So basically, first of all, what the error is that the machine is sensing that the drive motor that drives the drum is drawing too much electricity because most of the time because it's trying too hard to turn. So a couple of things you can do that might be causing this is, one, if you've overloaded the washing machine and so the motor has to work really hard to try to turn it, it might end up drawing too much electricity and giving you this error. So if you have a ton of stuff in there, you might want to remove some stuff. By the same token, it's trying to turn this drum, and so if there's any kind of resistance, anything stuck or causing friction, just make sure this drum is turning freely. Because again, if there's resistance in turning it, the motor is going to be calling for more electricity to try to overcome that resistance, and then it can end up giving you this error. So if it's not overloaded and everything is turning freely, then we get into some more complicated stuff that it could be. Like it could be some kind of issue with loose wiring to the drive motor. It could be an issue with the control board and how it's communicating with the drive motor, and you might need to replace control board, drive motor, wiring, something like that, if it's not just an issue of an overloaded washer or the drum not turning freely. But anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.